So guys, let's talk about the Dogwifhat token. Is it worth buying because this furry little fella has been pumping over the last few days in the Solana ecosystem? So let's just talk about it. We can see over the last month it's up from 0.32 to $3.12, and just looking at the market capital of this particular token, yeah, it's gone pretty parabolic. So $300 million market cap up to the 3.1 billion region. That is basically a 10x. You're buying a coin that's already 10x'd. If you are hoping for a 10x from here, you are buying on the bag holders who bought down here at 300 million MC, who will then effectively be in a 100x. So what do I personally think? Should you buy Dogwifhat now? No! I don't think you should, but we're going to talk about why, kind of, in this video. So, looking at Dogwifhat coin, and while I think it is an absolute meme gem, you've just missed that golden opportunity, is what I'd say. Maybe there's still 2-3x potential, but remember, there's a huge dump risk. Now, meme coins don't pump forever, they don't last forever, it's a transient phase, but this is where you start to see all these influencers, similar to like Arthur Hayes' tweet right here, the hat stays on while I count $10, la-di-da-di-da, and that could actually happen, especially if we see the meme market make a reversal. But the level of risk that comes with it, getting in at that particular price point, is, you know, not really something I'd be so comfortable with. It's very degen-y. It's quite high risk, high reward, right? So yeah, Dogwifhat, $3.11 at the moment, big market capital, 10 billion would of course be the target given from what Arthur Hayes has said right here, and that could potentially happen, but this has been parabolic and it has not really had a chance for a huge correction just yet. You know, whilst all this is happening on the week, we're having a great week in the crypto space, but still, you got to be careful. You got to look at your RSIs. You got to do your sentimental analysis as well. You know, how is the fear and greed index? It's very, very greedy. Why didn't you buy in a neutral market? Why didn't you buy in extreme fear, sort of thing? But overall, let's just do a breakdown of the price. If you're new to the channel and you actually want to learn something new this 2024 and potentially boost your crypto portfolio, subscribe to the channel. So what I can see here straight off the bat, just straight off, when we look at this RSI over here, we can see you've got two key phases. You've got one from March, just literally not long ago, Tuesday 12th of March, and that's like really not long ago at all. So in the space of 1 hour, you can see what's happened. And it's a reflection of consumer behavior, it's a reflection of human beings. But look at the RSI. I mean, just from an hour ago, 2 days ago, you could have literally bought a low RSI entry, but now it's already pumped massively. Just over the space of like 2 days, this coin's already gone up 60-70%. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, it's a little bit different on the RSI. It actually never came down to a sub 30 RSI. I don't think it's been trading long enough. It hasn't actually delved within or traded within a bear market just yet. It's only been meme season right now, so naturally we're not really going to see this go sub 30 RSI until the later bear markets. Another thing to sort of talk about in a whole other video of how to accumulate in bear markets. But right now you can see Dogwif is sitting at 77 on the RSI here. So again, tells me it could be potentially very overbought. And when we get these Bollinger Bands up, we're sitting right at the top of the top region. And usually, typically, every time we get to that top region, we correct down to the 20-day moving average at some point, which I would visualize seeing this 20-day EMA come up, and then effectively the price would then come back down, meet this particular EMA, and then maybe it will actually ride back up to the upside. And of course, you know, the fibs don't lie. So where could we correct to? $2.50, $2.40. And I don't want to make a bearish video because at the end of the day, this coin could still pump if it consolidates exactly where it is. And if there is enough hyper momentum, we could still see some upside for this coin. It could still go up to the 2618 or the 1618 fib on the long side, the bullish side. It could go up to 345, 369. So, you know, these are levels that I'm also aware could happen, but the upside potential is diminishing the later you get in. And in my opinion, the time to have gotten in, if you just look at the daily time frame, was of course last week, or you know, when not the whole world was talking about it, or maybe some people were talking about it, but you didn't feel the intense FOMO. You haven't watched it go into a frenzy, and for some reason, just because you've watched it go like this, you know, now you want to get in, when before you should have thought, oh well, look, you know, this project seems like it's got good potential. It's already up, you know, from down here, it's already up 80%, but it has made a minor correction of what, 22%. So I should have just, you know, looked at this as a dollar cost average opportunity, a nice sort of diagonal support threshold right there. So that's just what I wanted to really explore on this topic. Do I think Dogwifhat is worth buying? Maybe a small moon bag, but I would not risk more than I could afford to lose on this particular token at this given time. I'd actually be waiting for now a nice pullback on this token, maybe even a good 30% pullback down to $2.36 region. That's a very key support. Then I might go back in if, you know, Shiba, Doge and Pepe haven't already pumped again and sparked a new bull run. Now, Jacob's Crypto Clan, you guys are amazing. Thank you for supporting this channel. If you want to grow your crypto portfolio, you get the insights around the next big meme gems before the public, as well as trading signals that could help you make money in this market. Consider becoming a patron. The link is down below there. Crypto Legends, 137 of you. Crypto Champions, 141 of you. So thank you so much for supporting, because we do our best to make sure your journey in the crypto space is as great as possible. Now, moving into the degen space, got some cool tokens to share with you today as well. You like meme coins, you like high risk, clearly you wouldn't have clicked on this video otherwise, and you're a dirty little degen, aren't you? Huh? Yeah, that's right. Now, meme coins are going crazy. $65 billion market cap here in the meme coin space. Bro, that's big stuff. Up 3x since like 1 or 2 months. And the first one is going to be Bol rat coin, rat with a bowl. Now, I shared this on my Discord yesterday. What I do know is I've been told that they've got an MEXC exchange listing coming very, very soon. Solana, you know, big Solana whales are actually engaging with this, talking about it. It's basically a rat with a basketball, as you can see right here, but it's got that sort of culture, community. It's got that pump mental factor about it. Not only has that happened, the Phantom Wallet founder has also followed, I believe, or engaged with one or the other with this particular straight to DEX right here. So this is Bol. You can see this is the price action. It's actually on the low, considering it was up here like not long ago, 0.0194 high. We are down 80%, but this is it. This is the fear cycle. This is the extreme fear cycle. So I don't see there being much more downside potential, and I'm actually hedging all my bets on this one in the sense that I think Bol will pump when Doge and Shiba pumps. I've got 2 big targets up here, one now delivering about a 2x, the other delivering a little bit more, up to a 2.6x, and I do want to see this one go parabolic. 2.9 million FDV, 2.9 million market capital. You can see the price is 0.002964, so just want to potentially look at research on the Bol, and they've got an interesting website where they're using Vesting Royale, which is a Solana smart contract to facilitate airdrops. So if that sounds interesting to you, well, guess what, ladies and gents? There's a plug right down below for you to check out. Now, moving into the next one is Scotty the AI. This pre-sale will sell out today, meaning this ICO will finish at a $10 million hard cap. 10x will take it to $100 million, so it's absolutely possible to see this coin do a 10x. Now, this is the degen corner. Remember, this is high risk, high reward. Just because it's a meme coin in pre-sale doesn't mean it will just do amazingly. It could do a 2x, it could go sideways, or it could just simply go down in price. I'm not a guru, I don't have a crystal ball, I'm not a financial advisor, but 4 days to go, they're selling so quick. They're selling over $400,000 worth of tokens today. This is where meme coin meets artificial intelligence, and this concoction could be the ingredients for a huge pump to the upside. So yeah, looking out for this one as well. I think it could do pretty well. A lot of people have got into it, and yeah guys, watch this space. Subscribe, because I've got more big meme coins to drop very soon, literally later today. I've been told about a very cool one which I want to share with you all. And overall, Scotty the AI looks like a good one. 8.5k followers, celebrating their massive raise of 10.1 million. That's about a wrap, guys. If you want to grab also, pardon me, Dogwifhat coin, if you do feel a bit risky and frisky, you can use my MEXC link I've got down below to trade anonymously, do it the crypto way, and also enjoy some bonuses when you trade on my link. Of course, MEXC is a no KYC exchange, and this is where I do all of my trading. I absolutely love this particular exchange, so the link is down below. Basically, everything you need is down below. Now, thanks for watching this video. Gonna see you guys soon, and yeah, bye for now. Have a wonderful day. Stay crypto safe. Peace.